Okay, so it's 2024. Can we agree that we're not going to change ourselves for anybody? We're just going to be who we are. We're going to enjoy life. We're going to express ourselves authentically. And whoever is gravitated towards that, amazing. If they align with our values, we welcome them in. But if they don't, we let them be. We don't force them to like us, to be with us, to validate us, to approve of us, because we can do that ourselves. So stop trying to change that person. It's 2024. Change yourself. And everything and everyone will conform eventually. You create the rules. This is your life. This is your movie. You are the main character. If you want the step-by-step guide to change your identity from within, join Become Magnetic. It's the only EFT tapping course you need to rewire negative subconscious beliefs, shift your self-concept, and literally manifest everything you desire. Link at the top of my page. I'll see you in there, and follow for more.